All right, what's going on, family? Today have I got a lesson for you. Welcome to PJ Guitar. I'm PJ Patrick Johnson. Man, I hope that this lesson is a blessing to you. Today we got a song that was requested. I was able to give it a little listen. All right, and I think that it's an essential song for us to share here at PJ Guitar, okay? The song is I Won't Let You Fall. All right, I Won't Let You Fall. This is becoming a standard in gospel music. I got the track pulled up. I want to go over some of the chords we're going to use first, okay? I want to go over some of the chords we're going to use first and kind of go over the structure of the song, and then we're going to play along with it, all right? So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. We're going to play along where you can see, where you can try out what you learned in the lesson, or, hey, maybe you're more advanced in what this lesson is offering. At least this is a good track for you to play along to, okay? Kind of exercise your skills and everything. So this song, I'm going to say, is in the key of G. And so the key of G, just as a review, your 1 is G, your 2 A minor, your 3 is B minor, your C or your 4 is C major, your 5 is D major, your 6 is E minor, your diminish, F sharp diminish, back to your G. Or minor 7 flat 5. All right. Now we went up the key of G. This song is gonna be really heavy on the 6, that 4, and the 1. And really, you could probably just get away with just those chords. All right, you probably just get away with those chords. So. All right, so we're gonna hear some stuff like that. All right, we're gonna hear some stuff like that. All right. I mean, really, that's just about it. Like I said, it's gonna be heavy. So this kind of can get about, you want a little rhythm. And how I'm kind of getting that pluck sound is I'm palm muting and I'm resting back here. So this, you gotta definitely feel the groove. You gotta definitely feel the groove. But I tell you what, let's play along with it, okay? All right, y'all, listen. I really need your help with the channel, okay? Helping this channel grow is really dependent upon not only me and my efforts, but you as well, okay? So how you can help this channel grow? Number 1 is liking the video. Like the video. Hop in the comments. This helps spread it. It lets YouTube know that people are enjoying and using this content. Watch the video all the way through. When you watch the video all the way through, it tells YouTube, hey, people are really entertained by this material, okay? Make sure you subscribe. If you like it, subscribe to it. Make sure your notification bell is turned on, all right? There's a new thing going on that's called hype. You can hype up this video. If you feel like this video is hype worthy, you can click that hype button and it makes a leaderboard. This is for small content creators like myself to be able to compete, or maybe not compete, but to have some of that visibility that the greater or more larger platforms or this is gonna help push the little man. So listen, I thank you all for the support that you give. I want to also let you know about some of the things we have to offer here specifically at PJ Guitar, okay? I want to have this community that we can have set up. We can have this community set up. You'll get your recognition. You'll be a part of this community. You can do that. Check out, you can click that join button, all right, and kind of view the tiers of things we have available. A lot of people ask, hey, how do you do one-on-one sessions? You know what I mean? How do you do that? So these are some subscriptions you can do by joining, some memberships you can have. And if you look at each of those tiers, it'll tell you what we have available, okay? Maybe we can make some one-on-one time with me and you. We can get together over a Zoom. Let's have an evaluation, because hey, sometimes there ain't a lot of help that I can give people, and that's okay. All right, so maybe we have a little free consultation, figure out where you're at, where we can go and see if I'm a good fit to give you lessons and to have some one-on-one time with you. All that can be made possible. Just follow the directions. Email me, message me. We have a posting. You can make a post on the channel in this community. Listen, I really want to hear from you guys, and just from the bottom of my heart, I would like to say thank you. I appreciate you all. I haven't always been the guitarist I am today, and I'm not the guitarist I aim to be just yet, okay? But with your help, I've been able to grow. I've been able to provide for others, provide lessons for others in places where many people aren't sharing what we're learning here at PJ Guitar. So thank you all for making this possible, okay? From the bottom of my heart. That's the E minor. Here we go. 4, 5.